So guys, this is in continuation to the India's global rankings which have been highlighted in the economic survey in the year 2025-26. And this is part 2 guys. So I hope you have watched the part 1 of our important global rankings of India being highlighted in the economic survey. Let's discuss here. The first section that we're going to discuss is textile sector. So in textile sector, it has been said that we are the largest cultivator of cotton बाय एकरेज, विच इज अगर हम एकड़ बाय एकड़ हम जमीन की बात करें तो वहां पे हम लार्जेस्ट कल्टीवेटर आते हैं. वी आर द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ जूट एंड वी आर द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ सिल्क एंड कॉटन हियर. Then comes technology and startup sector. So we are the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. Then it has highlighted about energy and infrastructure sector where it has been said that हम लोग third rank पे आते हैं globally in terms of renewable energy capacity. We are ranked third in terms of solar energy capacity. We are ranked fourth in terms of wind energy capacity. We are the world's third largest domestic aviation market. And the next one is we are the fourth largest, or we are ranked fourth globally in terms of green field investment. So this is about these three sectors, that is textile, technology and startup, and energy and infrastructure. So guys, stay tuned for part 3. And I hope you have watched the part 1 also. Now to get to know more about the detail of economic survey, you can watch our detailed economic survey session. The link for that is given in the description below. So I wish you all the best for the examination guys. Keep working hard, keep preparing hard. Bye bye.